Look at that cheesy deliciousness. Make a French onion soup and spinach artichoke dip. Let's get started. We're gonna need 3 onions. And, these 3 onions I choose. Yes, they look ugly, but, we're gonna get the job done. Let's get them slicing them. They should look, just slice them as thin as you can. We don't want no chunky pieces, please. And while you're doing that, preheat your oven to like 350. What I'm trying to do right now. Yeah, come on. Press that for me. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, press that. Yeah, 350. Preheat. So I start off with butter. And right now I didn't want my heat to be too high, so I kept it at like a low medium heat. Because when it's gonna be a minute for them for this to work. So pay attention, bear with me. It's a patient meal. So take your time. Try to be perfect, please. Try. But we're gonna let those sweat down so they start, getting darker and caramelizing a little bit. I did season them with my favorite seasoning, which is like, I put a little Lars in there, a little bit, just a little bit. Occasional salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, onion powder, These chips right here, which I personally cut in tortillas, I already put them in my oven. These are gonna be used for my spinach dip. Keep that in there for like 15 minutes. Now, as you see, my onions are starting to get a little darker, and we're gonna just keep stirring around them. Make sure they don't burn. You want them to get dark as possible, but we don't need to get like, barbecue grill dark. Come on, keep it looking good. So, as you can see, this day we have reached a maximum because I realized I put too much butter in it a little bit, but we gonna ball. I chop my spinach up and I start sauteing that up a little bit, let those wilt down a little bit, and I just rough chop them. It ain't gotta be perfect, but just small enough. While that's going, I inserted some cream cheese and mozzarella. Any white cheese will work, honestly. And here we go. Beautiful. Speechless. I'm speechless. Look at that. Sexy. Oh my God. But yes, you want to take that home with you. I know. Look how creamy. Oh my God. Yeah, dip it. Dip it. Look how cheesy that is, bro. Look how cheesy that is. The onion definitely is on that, though, for sure. I just have to make that. Woo! See, if it ain't that cheesy, I don't want it. Bring it to me. And I'm lactose. Come on. I was gone. Yeah, it was a little hot. I ain't gonna lie to you. So that's why I'm reacting like that. Regardless, moving on to spinach dip. Going on with that. A little dip. Oh yeah. Whew. Spinach dip is pretty easy. I just finished it with cream and salt and pepper just to season it right, but we good. Let's go.